Hi, so I'm going to unbox my iPad Pro. So this is 11 inch iPad Pro 11 inch 4th generation. Here we can see our tablet. Not that heavy as I thought. Really looks nice. Speaker on the top, mic on the top, buttons, SIM card slot, speaker and charging port at the bottom. That's a great thing. So if I press the power button, select the language, select your country. So here is my iPhone nearby, so click continue. Scan the QR code. Enter your phone passcode. It will take few minutes to activate. Agree terms and conditions. Welcome to iPad. Click done. Now we are ready to use our new iPad.